We're here at Blackwell Island, which is home to Hagadone Marine. I got 3 guys with me that are going to talk to us a little bit about the services they offer. With us, I got Ryan Holmes, so General Manager of Hagadone Marine.
Yes, sir.
We got Chris Craig, who's a Sales Manager, and Cameron Lounsbury, and you have been recently promoted to Operations Manager. Congratulations. Well, we want to just ask you guys a few questions. A lot of people are unfamiliar with the services that you offer here. It's a super cool opportunity for anybody that likes to be on the water in the summer, which is pretty much everybody. So Ryan, as the General Manager, can you tell us a little bit about what Hagadone Marine offers on the island?
Yeah, I mean, we offer everything. So we do fiberglass repair, we do details, we do mechanical repairs. We have a state-of-the-art service facility that has about 18 technicians in it that we keep year-round going. We have a pro shop, we have gas on the docks, we have wet slips and obviously dry slips. We have sales, finance, we do it all. The nice thing about Hagadone is we're right on the water. So when you want to demo a boat or you want to come out or you just want to be on the water, we are here. So you don't have to worry about trailing your boat anywhere. And yeah, we get on the water fast, we have a great time. And one thing that's really nice is everybody really does care, so.
That's awesome. Yeah, it's been a great experience here. And so the new thing that everybody's talking about is your quick launch.
Yeah.
What's offered with this quick launch program?
Well, we kind of treated it like a separate program from the wet slips, and you have designated parking up front. I think we have, 300 parking spots up front, so parking will never be an issue. We have a clubhouse that's stocked with beer, wine, sunscreen, pop, soda, candy. They do mixed drinks up there. They have sandwiches, pretzels, just anything you can think of, and we really wanted to create a club experience.
All right, so Chris, as a sales manager, what kind of boats do you offer here at Hagadone?
So we carry 9 different brands, mostly all premium product, build our own custom wood boats.
You have a big boat expo, right? Can you tell me about that?
So in the end of January, first part of February, we had 65 boats in our expo last year, fully carpeted, 2 full bars, and it's just a really nice, easygoing sales type atmosphere. So
yeah,
lots to look at and lots to choose from.
All right, so Cameron, recently promoted Operations Manager, so you're in charge of this whole quick launch, correct?
Yeah.
All right, everybody wants to know, how many boats can you hold?
360.
Is that any type of boat, or what are you looking at that you put in here?
The largest boat we'll put in here is 30 feet.
30 feet.
So 30 feet and down.
If somebody has their boat here, how do they access it? How do they let you know?
It's all designed on our app. We have a Boat Cloud app.
Okay.
They schedule on that, and then we just go down that app and launch boats all day long.
So it's as simple as going on and scheduling when you want your boat?
Yep.
And then when they take it out, when they bring it back, what's the procedure for bringing it back?
They'll just bring it back, park it, and we have on the app it says ready to stow. We'll pull it out and put it away.
That's awesome. How long does it take to launch a boat?
5 minutes.
If I wanted a boat right now, you can have it.
Between 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes, and you can get a boat off the rack in the water?
Yeah.
Let's see it. All right, so Cameron, we're gonna have you walk us through this whole process. Grab a boat, put it in the water, and we're gonna time you. We're gonna see how this goes.
All right.
So we'll follow you. Let's do it. Thank you so much. That was awesome. I think you were about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's pretty impressive considering how many boats you guys put in a day.
Yeah.
So if you're in the area, if you're looking for a place that's full valet service, Hagadone Marine, come down here, see Ryan. If you're looking for boat sales, talk to Chris. And obviously you got people like Cameron that are keeping your boat secure and putting it in and out of the water for you. Thanks for coming.